We live in a world obsessed with instant results. This desire for quick fixes extends to weight loss. People are bombarded with promises of rapid weight loss through pills, powders, and extreme diets. But this quick fix mentality often leads to unhealthy cycles of weight loss and regain. It ignores the root causes of weight gain and can have adverse effects on our health. There's a better way, a natural approach to weight management. This approach focuses on nourishing your body with whole foods, managing stress, and incorporating regular physical activity. It emphasizes sustainable lifestyle changes that support long-term health and well-being. Instead of seeking a quick fix, it encourages a journey of gradual, sustainable weight loss while improving your overall health. This natural approach isn't about deprivation or extreme measures. It's about making conscious, healthy choices that support your body's natural ability to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. It's about understanding that true health encompasses not just the number on the scale, but also your energy levels, mental clarity, and overall vitality. In a world saturated with fad diets and weight loss gimmicks, embracing a natural path offers a refreshing and effective alternative. It empowers you to take control of your health and well-being by embracing the power of natural ingredients and a holistic lifestyle. Many weight loss products on the market contain a cocktail of chemical ingredients. These chemicals may promise rapid weight loss, but they often come with a hefty price tag for your health. Understanding the potential risks of these chemicals is crucial for making informed decisions about your weight loss journey. One common side effect of chemical weight loss products is damage to the digestive system. Many of these products disrupt the natural balance of gut bacteria, which can lead to digestive issues like bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. Long-term disruption of the gut microbiome is also linked to more serious health conditions. Another concern is the potential for heart problems. Some chemical weight loss ingredients can increase heart rate and blood pressure, putting extra strain on the cardiovascular system. This can be particularly dangerous for individuals with pre-existing heart conditions. Furthermore, some chemical weight loss products can lead to nutrient deficiencies. They may interfere with the body's ability to absorb essential vitamins and minerals from food, leading to nutritional imbalances that can impact overall health. This underscores the importance of seeking natural weight loss methods that work in harmony with your body, rather than against it. In contrast to the potential dangers of chemical weight loss products, nature provides a wealth of safe and effective ingredients that can support healthy weight management. These natural ingredients work in synergy with your body's systems, promoting weight loss without compromising your health. One of the key ways natural ingredients aid weight loss is by boosting metabolism. Ingredients like green tea extract and cayenne pepper contain compounds that naturally increase your body's calorie-burning capabilities, even at rest. This metabolic boost helps create a calorie deficit, essential for shedding pounds. Another way natural ingredients support weight loss is by suppressing appetite. Fiber-rich foods, for example, expand in your stomach, promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. Certain herbs and spices also act on the brain to regulate hunger hormones, further reducing cravings and overeating. Moreover, natural ingredients can help regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels are crucial for weight management as they prevent energy crashes and cravings that can lead to overeating. Ingredients like cinnamon and apple cider vinegar have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body regulate blood sugar levels effectively. Let's delve into some specific natural ingredients that have gained recognition for their weight loss properties. These ingredients, readily available and easily incorporated into your diet, exemplify the power of nature in supporting a healthy weight. Green tea, a staple in many cultures, is rich in antioxidants called catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. EGCG is known to boost metabolism and promote fat burning. Adding a cup or two of green tea to your daily routine can provide a gentle and effective metabolic boost. Ginger, a popular culinary spice, is renowned for its digestive benefits. It can help reduce bloating and improve digestion, making you feel lighter and more comfortable. Adding ginger to your meals or enjoying it as a tea can aid digestion and support your weight loss efforts. Cayenne pepper, known for its fiery kick, contains capsaicin, a compound that boosts metabolism and increases calorie expenditure. Adding a pinch of cayenne pepper to your meals can add flavor while providing a natural metabolic boost. Start with a small amount and gradually increase as per your tolerance. The beauty of choosing natural weight management methods extends beyond shedding pounds. These natural ingredients offer a holistic approach to health, addressing various aspects of well-being and improving overall vitality. For instance, many natural ingredients are packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your cells against damage from free radicals, harmful molecules that contribute to aging and various diseases. Consuming a diet rich in antioxidant-rich fruits, vegetables, and herbs can bolster your body's natural defenses. Furthermore, natural ingredients can improve gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental health. By incorporating fiber-rich foods, fermented foods, and prebiotic-rich ingredients, you can nourish your gut bacteria and promote optimal digestive health. Moreover, natural ingredients can reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health problems, including weight gain. Many natural ingredients, such as turmeric, ginger, and garlic, possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat inflammation and support overall health. Countless individuals have experienced remarkable transformations by embracing natural weight loss methods. Their stories serve as powerful testimonials to the efficacy and sustainability of a holistic approach to weight management. Take, for example, Sarah, a 35-year-old woman who struggled with her weight for years. Frustrated with fad diets and their temporary results, she decided to try a natural approach. She focused on consuming whole foods, incorporating regular exercise, and managing stress through meditation. She gradually lost weight, and more importantly, kept it off. She also noticed improvements in her energy levels, sleep quality, and overall well-being. Then there's John, a 42-year-old man who had resigned himself to a life of weight-related health issues. However, inspired by a documentary about the power of plant-based eating, he decided to overhaul his diet. He transitioned to a predominantly plant-based diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. To his astonishment, he not only lost weight but also reversed his prediabetes and significantly lowered his cholesterol. These stories, though unique in their individual journeys, share a common thread: the transformative power of embracing natural weight loss solutions. They highlight that sustainable weight loss is not just about the number on the scale, but about improving overall health and well-being. The shift towards natural weight loss methods is gaining momentum within the medical community. Healthcare professionals are increasingly recognizing the limitations and potential risks of chemical weight loss solutions and are advocating for safer, more holistic approaches. Dr. David Ludwig, a renowned obesity researcher and professor at Harvard Medical School, emphasizes the importance of focusing on food quality rather than calorie counting. He advocates for a diet low in refined carbohydrates and processed foods and rich in healthy fats, proteins, and fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and promotes satiety, leading to natural weight loss. Dr. Mehmet Oz, a cardiothoracic surgeon and TV personality, stresses the importance of gut health in weight management. He recommends incorporating probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kefir, as well as prebiotic-rich foods like onions and garlic, to promote a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in digestion and metabolism. Dr. Andrew Weil, a pioneer in integrative medicine, highlights the importance of stress management in weight loss. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, a hormone that promotes fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area. He recommends incorporating stress-reducing techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine to manage stress and support healthy weight management. Transitioning to a natural weight loss approach involves embracing a holistic lifestyle that prioritizes your overall well-being. It's about making gradual, sustainable changes to your diet, exercise routine, and stress management techniques. Start by crowding out processed foods and sugary drinks, replacing them with whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Focus on cooking more meals at home, where you have control over the ingredients and can avoid hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and excessive sodium found in many processed foods. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your lifestyle. It doesn't have to be strenuous workouts at the gym. It could be brisk walking, dancing, swimming, or gardening. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Prioritize stress management. Chronic stress disrupts hormonal balance and contributes to weight gain. Explore stress-reducing techniques like yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Find what works best for you and incorporate it into your daily routine to manage stress and promote overall well-being. Embracing natural weight loss is more than just a personal journey. It's about joining a growing movement towards a healthier and more sustainable way of living. By choosing natural solutions, you're not only taking control of your health, but also supporting a system that prioritizes well-being over quick fixes. Connect with like-minded individuals who share your passion for natural health and wellness. Join online communities, attend workshops, or participate in local farmers markets to learn from others and share your experiences. Building a support system can provide motivation and encouragement on your journey. Become an advocate for natural health in your community. Share your knowledge with friends and family, encouraging them to consider natural alternatives. Support businesses that prioritize natural and sustainable practices. Together, we can create a ripple effect that promotes health and well-being for ourselves and future generations. Remember, the journey to a healthy weight is not a race. It's a marathon. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way, but by embracing a natural, holistic approach, you're equipping yourself with the tools and knowledge to navigate these challenges and achieve sustainable, long-term health and well-being. Embrace the power of nature and let it guide you towards a healthier, happier you.